Welcome to our video on the effectiveness of submarines in a war scenario. Submarines have been a crucial part of naval warfare since their introduction in the early 20th century. In this video, we will examine the strengths and weaknesses of submarines as well as their role in modern warfare. Submarines have a long and fascinating history dating back to the 16th century when Englishman William Bourne designed a submersible vessel that could be rowed underwater. However, it wasn't until the American Civil War that submarines first saw significant military use, with the Confederate Navy using the H.L. Hunley in an attack on the USS Housatonic. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, several countries, including the United States, Great Britain, and Germany, began developing submarines for use in naval warfare. These early submarines were primarily used for reconnaissance and as a means to lay mines, but they were also armed with torpedoes. During World War I and World War II, submarines played a significant role in naval warfare. Germany's U-boats were particularly effective in sinking Allied ships, but advances in anti-submarine warfare eventually led to their downfall. After World War II, submarines continued to evolve and became an important part of naval warfare for many countries. Nuclear-powered submarines, which first appeared in the 1950s, were faster and had much longer range than their diesel-electric counterparts. These submarines were equipped with advanced weapon systems, including guided missiles, and were used for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, special operations, and strategic nuclear deterrence. One of the main strengths of a submarine is their ability to remain hidden underwater, making them difficult to detect and track. This allows them to launch surprise attacks on enemy ships and submarines, as well as gather intelligence on enemy naval movements. Submarines have had a significant impact on naval strategy and tactics since their introduction. Submarines are stealthy and hard to detect, making them a formidable threat to surface ships. This has led to the development of new strategies and tactics to counter the submarine threat. One of the main impacts of submarines on naval strategy is the development of anti-submarine warfare, ASW strategies and tactics. This includes the use of various detection methods such as sonar, magnetic anomaly detection, MAD, and acoustic buoys, as well as the use of aircraft, ships, and other assets to locate and track submarines. A challenge of ASW is the sheer vastness of the ocean. The vastness of the ocean and the deep waters make it difficult to detect and track submarines, especially in areas with high sea states or thermoclines, layers in the ocean with different temperatures, which can reflect or absorb sound waves, making it difficult for sonar to detect submarines. To overcome these challenges, several detection methods are used in ASW. Active sonar. Active sonar involves emitting a sound wave and then listening for the return echo, which is used to determine the distance and location of the submarine. However, active sonar can be detected by the submarine, allowing them to take evasive action. Passive sonar. Passive sonar, on the other hand, is used to listen to the ambient noise in the ocean, such as the noise made by the submarine's propulsion system. The advantage of passive sonar is that the submarine is not aware that it is being detected. Magnetic anomaly detection, MAD. MAD uses a sensor to detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field caused by the presence of a submarine. Acoustic buoys. Acoustic buoys are used to detect and track submarines by listening for the noise they make. Airborne anti-submarine warfare. Airborne anti-submarine warfare involves using aircraft to detect and track submarines. This can be done by using radar, sonar, or infrared sensors. Submarines also have the ability to launch long-range cruise missiles, which can be used to attack enemy ships, land-based targets, or even enemy's naval base. This ability has made them a valuable asset in naval warfare, and it has given nations the ability to strike their enemies from a distance and to project naval power far beyond their shores. Submarines have a significant impact on naval tactics. The stealth and mobility of submarines make them ideal for reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and special operations. They can also be used to lay mines and conduct sabotage operations. In addition to their military role, submarines have also had a significant impact on naval strategy and tactics for non-combat purposes. They have been used for scientific research, exploration, and mapping of the ocean floor, as well as for undersea cable and pipeline laying and search and rescue operations. Submarines are also equipped with torpedoes and cruise missiles, which can be used to deliver devastating blows to enemy ships and shore-based targets. They can also be used to launch special forces and carry out reconnaissance missions. The cost and resources required to maintain and operate submarines are significant. Submarines are complex and technologically advanced machines that require a large investment to build, maintain, and operate. Building a submarine can cost billions of dollars, depending on the size and capabilities of the vessel. For example, the cost of building a single Virginia-class submarine for the U.S. Navy is around $2.7 billion. This cost includes the cost of materials, labor, and research and development. Once a submarine is built, the cost of maintaining and operating it is also significant. Submarines require regular maintenance and upgrades to keep them in top condition. This includes regular overhauls and refits, which can cost millions of dollars. The personnel required to operate and maintain submarines is also significant. Submarines require a crew of highly trained personnel, including engineers, mechanics, and technicians, who must be trained and compensated accordingly. The cost of training and retaining these personnel is also a significant cost. In addition to the cost, the resources required to operate submarines are also substantial. Submarines need a large amount of fuel, lubricants, and other supplies to function properly, which can be costly and logistically challenging to obtain, especially in remote locations. In conclusion, submarines are a valuable asset in naval warfare due to their stealth and ability to launch surprise attacks. However, they also have their limitations and require a significant investment to maintain. Despite these challenges, submarines continue to play a vital role in modern naval warfare and are likely to remain an important part of naval strategy in the future. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Leave a comment with your thoughts and any suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.